International Airport Terminal 3, where the outside temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. Please remain seated in your designated seats and do not open the overhead bins until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care while opening the overhead bins as loose items may have moved during the flight. You may now use your mobile phones. Guests connecting on the Air India network and partner airlines are requested to contact the transfer desk. Please allow guests seated in front of you to deplane first. On behalf of Captain Ishit Kumar Solanki and the crew of this flight, we thank you for flying with Air India and look forward to welcoming you back again. Namaskar, Jai Hind.
बहुत सारी मार
Jump na, kare jump na.